Hello again, everybody. This is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Cherokee 234DC. Brand new floor plan, one big slide out, queen bed up front, good pantry space, large bathroom. Really nice couples camper. You do have the sofa and dinette that make into beds, so maxing out, I would say 4 comfortably. If you had kids, you could probably max out at 6, but 4 to 6 is probably the way to go. So very new floor plan. One thing I will say is if you have not yet already, please subscribe. Really appreciate that. Thumbs up as well. If you have questions or comments, or there's a floor plan that you're looking for that I have not yet posted, please feel free to put that in below. I'll do my best to get those posted as quickly as possible. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. All right, so starting on the outside, you see the nice Cherokee logo on the front. Power tongue jack. 2 20-pound LP bottles with a cover. Cherokee does supply the first battery, so you can add a second battery. This battery is hooked up directly to the solar panel, which is mounted on the roof. So it is getting a charge there. The battery disconnect inside, I'll show you here in a minute. We do have a dry weight of 5,719 pounds. You see the outside shower with hot cold, your city and freshwater connection. You do have a cable hookup, nice deep slide out. We are looking at a 30 amp service, outside convenient light, outside convenience light, your black and gray tank pull valves. You do have storage available in the bumper, and the travel rack does drop down, give you a spot for bikes, coolers, grills. You do mount your spare tire there as well, so you don't have to move that. You are also prepped for a backup camera. That is by Furrion. Leash latch, so you have a connection here when you guys are camping. Hook the dog, cat, animal to it. You don't have to worry about the screw in tie downs to the ground, anything like that. So nice easy setup there, built in. Your electric stabilizer jacks. You do have a black tank flush, outside speakers, and you can move a TV outside. You already have a built-in bracket on the wall. Plug it right into your cable and 110 connections. You do have an exhaust vent for your range, and a full-length power awning with LED lights. Outside cook area, you're looking at 2-burner range, ice maker, small refrigerator, and another outside shower. So a nice little campfire package outside. Your step above entry steps go all the way down to the ground, very secure. Large assist handle. Front controls for those electric stabilizer jacks. Your solar charge on this side, so you can add a portable solar panel on this as well, in addition to the one that's mounted on the roof to charge those batteries. Nice amount of storage. A real quick showing you here. When you're all set and ready to go, the Cherokee stable steps fold. They fold right up into the camper, and you've got a little lock pin here, locks them in place. When you're all done, pull it, drop those down, Again, adjustable legs for uneven ground. Screen door, friction hinge on that door there, so wherever you leave it is where the door stays. We'll head in and take a look. All right, so stepping upside, you see the sofa, booth dinette, pantry, bathroom in the back, large kitchen, doors separating the bedroom. We'll start up in the bedroom. You'll see queen walk-around bed. You do have USB plugs, 110 receptacles. You've got the Furrion lit, which is a portable light, Bluetooth speaker. You can also plug your iPhone and Android in to charge them. Nice storage and overhead. Reading lights over top for his and her reading. Storage up underneath the bed. You do have a spot in the bedroom for a TV. On the other side of the wall, your entertainment area, spot for a TV. Furrion stereo system, you can sync your phone to that. Control the speakers, the zones, all from one spot. You have USB and HDMI plugins. Do have a 30-inch Furrion electric fireplace. It does put out heat. In the living area, your control pad, so your Cherokee Camp Smart. One control from Lippert. You can, again, get the app, sync your phone to that, control your slides, lights. One nice thing from here, your main lights, you can turn those off. Your slide light is the blue LED light. So it's a nice night light. It's hard to really get a good view during the day, but at night it will kind of keep you able to walk from the bedroom to the bathroom without having to turn all the lights on. The shades, you see the zebra blackout shades. So huge windows, but these new zebra roller shades, you can do black all the way. You can let in some light and you can roll them all the way up. So you've got that option. Jackknife sofa. You do have storage underneath. Does make into a bed. Your U-shaped booth dinette. Again, drops down to making a bed. Let's take a look at that. All right, real quick, the setup and breakdown of this U-shaped dinette. Very simple, basic setup. The table is on 2 pedestals. You can store those under the bed, under the dinette. Little Velcro tabs help hold the table in place. And you can use the cushions. Remove these if you like. There's a nice easy setup of that U-shaped dinette. So pretty straightforward. You can sleep one adult on here comfortably. The length is good. And then putting it back up. Again, it's just placing the cushions back. This is also probably the best way for it to travel, is for the table down. Just in case it were to swing loose, you don't have to worry about it falling. With it in place with the Velcro tabs, it's going to stay down. Lifting it up. Two legs. Put those right into place. So pretty easy setup and breakdown U-shaped dinette. And then full-length drawers underneath. Large pantry. So turn the lights back on, give you a good view here, but hard to find a travel trailer with that much pantry space. So nice setup there with its own door. Bathroom, you'll see with the motion sensor lighting. Nice corner shower, room around the toilet. You got some hanging area, exhaust fan, the shower. Again, I can step right up into the shower. I'm a little bit over the top, but I'm still not all the way into the skylight. Again, I'm 6'5", so height-wise should be good. And your vanity area. In the kitchen, you'll see this large 12-volt Furrion 10 cubic foot refrigerator. So as mentioned before, you're on the solar panel. So right now I'm on the battery with the solar panel on it. You saw the voltage meter. And again, all this is running off of that. So electric only fridge, battery disconnect down low. Good size oven. Again, little blue LED lights. Flush mount cover acts as a splash guard. Solid surface countertops. Nice solid surface cover over that black stainless steel sink. You also have spray head. Got it winterized right now. Overhead storage with the glass fronts. Exhaust fan for the outside with the light. And then good size microwave. So 234 Cherokee. Great couples travel trailer with some nice new features. Mainly I like the new blinds. You got those large windows, skylight. So Cherokee's big on that natural light. And now that you've got the solar panel built in, great features.